Seriously, on twin versus twin. Snooki came out victorious on a football 1v1. Then she also won the bike race to make it 2-0. And now for the car race. What's up guys, and welcome back to Twin vs Twin. Today the twin will be racing. So twins, which one of you are the fastest in cars? Me. Shanna, are you going to win the race today?
Yeah.
How about you, Maya? How are you feeling?
Really angry when she keeps winning.
No problem, Maya. Hopefully you can win today. So guys, Maya and the dad have made the track. So the dad has lined up all the benches and the chairs, and Maya's been setting out the cones. So it's simple. Go round, all around the whole track, 5 times. So it's 5 laps, twins. Are you still ready?
Yeah! Today, I really want to win this match. I already lost too much and I don't want to lose again.
So guys, that's some chit chat. Twins, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Unfortunately, you lost. So guys, the champion for today is Maya! Look, it's not impressed.
I want to win the next one anyway.
So Maya, how did it feel to be a champion for the first time?